The bird dog series, we're going to be doing 10 each exercise. We're starting in that nice quadruped position, hands underneath shoulders and under hips. We're going to do straight arm raises. The thumbs are going to go up towards the ceiling. As you lift that arm up, think of drawing your shoulder blade down your ribs in towards your spine, keeping that neck long and that gaze down. Abs are pulled in, nice, stable, steady torso. Weight staying even between those legs. Then we're going to switch to single leg, alternating leg raise kickbacks. So you're going to extend the leg out straight and then lift it up to the height, return it back down. Inhale as you lift that leg up, exhale as you drive that knee back in, returning that leg back to the quadruped position. Watch on this that tension's not coming up into your neck and shoulders, the elbows are slightly bent. Focus on that breath and that core connection through glutes and lower back. Now, bird dog, opposite arm and leg raise, paw to the top and return it down. 10 reps of everything, going nice and steady through this. Do it along with me. Focus on that breath. As you extend that arm and leg up, make sure everything comes to a complete stop at top. That foot's hip height, that arm is shoulder height. Your gaze is downward, ribs are down, abs are pulled in. You're keeping that neutral spine and you go through this. After the bird dog, so the bird dog with a tuck. So you're going to tuck opposite elbow to knee, extend back out, and then lower down. Do this all on one side, or you can alternate sides if you need to modify. Tuck that elbow to knee, do a slight cat arch, extend that arm back out straight. Really think about that strong supportive exhale, helping to force that belly button in and up, forcing those ribs together. That helps get added ab connection. This is a full core exercise, working on that stability, keeping that arm lifted is that added challenge. Like I said, alternate if you need to modify if you're not finding good connection on this. Bird dog pulse, you lift those arms and legs up, 2 pulses at top, return back with control. You want to think about squeezing through the backside of your core. Glutes, low back, lats, and rhomboids. Help lift the arm and leg up, pulsing 2 inches up, 2 inches down before you lower back to the ground. Knees return under shoulders, knees return under hips as you go throughout this. Really focusing on nice, stable, steady torso. So you're going to challenge your balance some on this one. You want to make sure that you are staying as stable as you can throughout.